6 minutes. Bersihlah pemihak.
Galing.
Nice shot.
Galing.
Nice shot. Pastor Brian napaibig. Iwan may Cardenas for you. Pastor Mugiwara, dun nilay diretso. Ay! What a shot!
Trippers na malalaki. Tara, Ben.
Cardenas, Pastor Benitez for you. Cardenas, Pastor Bonifacio patingding. Easy to point. Valiente for 3. Listahan. Cardenas, Pastor Bonifacio patingding ulit. Sablay, Cardenas pa rin.
Time out.
Pastor Versicula, wala blank may tayo. Yun lang. Rebound by Padil. Komendador, Pastor Tolibas black by Mugiwara. Valiente. 15 seconds shot lang. 3 seconds by seconds.
Kuya Ken, dumiretso! Bang! Patay na! Dali na! Wala! Versicula! Bang! Pa-shoot! Bonifacio! Good for 2. Bonifacio! Wala! Ken! Cardenas! Bang! Good for 2. Iwara, pasto Kuya Ken.
And the shoot!
Versicula!
Pastor Bonifacio.
Bonifacio, wala pa rin. Gawad kay Kuya Ken.
Magulang yan.
Ay,
Box. Back.
third team foul.
Pag ikaw talaga yung control na. Nagdepensa kay Ken.
Rebound by Kuya Ken. Warning for penalty.
Oras kaya.
Brooks.
Uy!
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 16 seconds.
Good for 1, Cardenas.
Board member ha.
Pass to Mugiwara, pumik. Patay. Slowly ba? Nagtatangkang tumira sa tres. Badil.